I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious fried chicken. Frying up chicken, I have seasoned chicken legs. It has salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. I have some seasoned flour batter. It just has flour, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, I don't know. Basically any season however you want with whatever you have. Same thing with the flour. I have the same things in here. The difference between both of these is I just added water. And this is taking the place of, like, say you do egg. This is taking the place. So we're gonna do a batter, a wet batter, and a dry flour. I have my fryer here. It's heating up to 365. I like using this because it regulates the temperature better than the stove. You don't have to worry about it getting too hot, and it makes a perfect golden crispy chicken. So first things first, I'm gonna take my seasoned chicken legs and I'm gonna put it in the batter. Put a couple in at a time. I'll probably do 4 at a time. I'm then just going, you can use tongs if you want. I'll just be washing my hands a lot. Just get it in there really good. Then we're gonna get our chicken put in our flour. So I'm gonna just take chicken leg, drip off that, and put it in our bag of flour. We're just gonna do 1 or 2 at a time. Then you're gonna just take your flour bag and shake it around. Go in. Get your chicken. Should look something like this. Just keep doing that for all your pieces. Set them on a plate, just like that. This is what your chicken should look like before you put it in the fryer. So I have my chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here. I think I can only fit about 4 pieces in here at a time. Oops. Yeah. Fit 4 pieces. I'm gonna put this in the fryer. I have it set at 365, about 10 minutes per side. This is after 10 minutes. So if you had cooking this on the stove or something, you could flip it over. I don't think I'm gonna flip it over. I'm just gonna leave it in because the oil covers it. I'm gonna give this another 10 minutes. All right, it's been another 10 minutes. This is what it's looking like. It looks so good, it smells so good. I'm about to take this out and let it cool off. Have a cooling rack, cookie sheet with a little cooling rack with paper towel underneath. That way the chicken can stay crispy. Just gonna grab one of these. Just gonna put it like that. I'm gonna get the next 4 pieces in. I have 12 pieces all together. I'm cooking today, so be right back. So this is it, guys. Try this. I'm telling you, it's the best.